Let's make instant onion pickle. 2 medium-sized onions and chop it nicely, else you can take baby onions as well. A teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of Kashmiri lal mirch, 4 teaspoon haldi, 1 tablespoon saunf, green chilies, a teaspoon of amchur. Mix it nicely. Take hot mustard oil 1.5 tablespoon. Add half teaspoon kalonji. Pour this oil ka tadka on onions. Again mix it well. At the end add little vinegar, that is optional. It increases the shelf life of pickled onions and of course the taste as well. So your pickled onions are ready, guys. This recipe at home and enjoy.